In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him, the first human and prophet, created by Allah and honored with knowledge. Hazrat Idris, peace be upon him, a wise prophet known for his deep understanding and patience. Hazrat Nuh, peace be upon him, built the ark and warned his people of the great flood. Hazrat Hud, peace be upon him, sent to the people of Ad to guide them back to monotheism. Hazrat Saleh, peace be upon him, warned the Thamud and performed the miracle of the she-camel. Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him, the father of prophets, tested with trials and built the Kaaba. Hazrat Ismail, peace be upon him, assisted in building the Kaaba and embodied patience and sacrifice. Hazrat Ishaq, peace be upon him, a righteous son of Hazrat Ibrahim and forefather of Bani Israel. Hazrat Yaqub, peace be upon him, a prophet blessed with wisdom and patience, and father of Prophet Yusuf. Hazrat Yusuf, peace be upon him, known for his beauty and wisdom, rose from slavery to power in Egypt. Hazrat Shuaib, peace be upon him, preached honesty and justice to the people of Madian. Hazrat Ayub, peace be upon him, the embodiment of patience, endured great suffering with faith. Hazrat Dul-Kifil, peace be upon him, a prophet of steadfastness and devotion. Hazrat Musa, peace be upon him, performed miracles by Allah's will, including turning his staff into a serpent to challenge Pharaoh's magicians. Hazrat Harun, peace be upon him, tried to stop Bani Israel from worshipping the golden calf in Hazrat Musa's absence. Hazrat Dawood, peace be upon him, a just king and prophet who was given the Zabur. Hazrat Sulaiman, peace be upon him, a king-prophet who ruled wisely, commanded the jinn, and understood the speech of birds. Hazrat Ilyas, peace be upon him, preached against idol worship and guided his people. Hazrat Al-Yasa, peace be upon him, successor of Ilyas, continued spreading the message. Hazrat Yunus, peace be upon him, swallowed by a whale and emerged repentant and devoted. Hazrat Zakaria, peace be upon him, a devoted prophet who was martyred after being pursued by his people. Hazrat Yahya, peace be upon him, a fearless prophet who stood for truth and was martyred by beheading. Hazrat Isa, peace be upon him, born miraculously, performed miracles, and will return near the end of time. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, the final prophet, sent as a mercy to all of creation. Hazrat Lut, peace be upon him, warned his people against immorality and was saved from destruction. Thank you for watching this video. Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, alone, without any partners, and I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments on how we can improve.